welcome to Art 1. My name is Miss Becerra, and this video is going to show you a little bit about what you can expect so that we can have a nice, smooth virtual year. So most of the classes are going to be asynchronous, which means that I'm going to upload the assignments and materials for you, maybe do some videos like this, and you're going to do it pretty much all on your own. Now, I will be offering some one-on-one and small group classes and instruction, so when you do attend those, just make sure that you come in, you turn off your volume, you turn on your cameras, that you're dressed appropriately for school, and that you stay nice and quiet and don't be fidgeting around and messing with things so that you can get all of the information that you need. Participation is a really important part of this class. I will post things like discussion boards where you will get on, you will answer some questions, and then you're going to be able to interact with each other and comment on each other's posts. Okay, so it's going to usually account for an attendance grade. It's either going to be that or a small easy assignment that will be used as an exit ticket. So it's really, really important that you participate, and it's also going to count toward your grade as well for the class. It's really important, especially in an art class, because people can feel really vulnerable. It's new to a lot of people. Not everybody's confident in this area. So we need to make sure that we're always being respectful and kind to each other. Okay, we're always treating each other as friends. And I know sometimes friends can pick on each other and have fun like that, and everybody acts like, oh, it's okay, it's okay. But we don't know what they're really feeling inside, guys. Okay, so just make sure that you're always being respectful and kind. Okay? Also keep in mind that admin and myself can see everything that you post. So if you don't want somebody to see it, don't write it. Okay? When it does come to the face-to-face virtual classes, make sure that you use the restroom before we have our meetings, so that way you don't miss any important information. And if you do have an emergency, I totally understand. Try to wait till after the instruction is over, and make sure that you mute your sound and turn off your video, okay? My late work policy is that it is important that, first of all, that you get everything turned in on time, meaning if something is assigned on a Tuesday, you have to log in and do it on that Tuesday, okay? Because that's how they take attendance, and attendance is still really important, even virtually, if you want to get credit for my class. So make sure that you're doing the work the day it's assigned. Now, let's say it's due Tuesday at midnight, and you turn it in at 12:01. That is considered late. Even if it's a minute late, you're going to lose a letter grade once it's late. Okay, and then you will have a week to turn it in before you lose another letter grade. And I'll keep doing that until you reach 70%. Okay, I will not take off more than that for any assignment that's late. Once it hits 70, it's 70. However, that's where your grade's going to start. So let's say you turn it in a few weeks late. So you're going to start at that 70. You can still lose points from there if you're not doing the assignment correctly, if you're not putting in your full effort, if you're not following directions, okay? So you can only go as low as a 70 for late work, but you could still go lower than that if it's not good work. Does everybody understand? If you don't understand, shoot me an email, okay? This is going to be a really cool year. I think that you're going to be surprised how much you're going to enjoy this class, even though it's virtual, okay? I'm here for you. You can get a hold of me anytime you need to, all day long, every day. I'm going to be right here in front of this computer. Okay, guys? It's going to be a really great year. So I have a video here. It's not working well on my recording, so I'm going to go ahead and skip this slide. And there is going to be a slide with a link that's going to take you to this video. It's very, very important that you do watch the video, okay? Just some last reminders. There's going to be some links embedded into this PowerPoint presentation. One of the pages is going to have your syllabus that you can click on. You're not going to have to actually sign it. I know it says sign it here. I'm not tech savvy enough to figure out how to make it to where each of you can have your own copy of the syllabus signed and returned to me. So please just read it. Make sure you read it, download it, save it, and have it for yourself, okay? There's going to be that. And then also it's going to have a separate link to the discussion board where it's really important that you do the discussion board during this class, okay? Also, I'm going to have a separate slide with your materials. So every class, I'm going to upload some things for you. I'm usually going to have a video like this so that it's a little bit more like an in-class situation for you to watch, but I'm also going to upload a copy of the PowerPoint presentation for you. So that way, if you need extra notes or you need to go back and check it, this will serve as your notes right there for you on your computer at all times. You can just go back. You don't have to sit and watch my video because the actual PowerPoint is going to be uploaded for you. Okay, and I'm also going to upload any videos that I embed into these presentations, a link so you can take you straight to the YouTube video, so that way you don't have to go back again and watch the whole presentation. It'll link you just straight to that video, okay? So any kind of materials, pictures, videos, worksheets, anything like that, all gonna be right there for you on a slide, okay? I'm trying to make this as easy for you as possible. I have my little Bitmoji classroom, my virtual classroom. You go in there, it's got everything you need, okay? Make sure that you check the Bitmoji classroom presentation and that you also check all the materials and links and anything so you don't miss anything, okay? Awesome. So that's it. Go ahead and go to Schoology, check your links, do the discussion, read your syllabus. Cool? Awesome. I'm looking forward to a really great year with you guys.